Once upon a time, in a bright and cheerful town, there lived a little balloon named Buzzy. Buzzy was no ordinary balloon. He was shiny, red, and full of energy. He loved floating high in the sky, playing with the clouds, and making children laugh. But one day, something unexpected happened. A strong gust of wind blew Buzzy far away from his friends and landed him in the branches of a tall, old tree. Buzzy wiggled and tugged, but no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't break free. Days passed, and Buzzy grew sadder. He missed floating freely and seeing the world from above. A wise old owl, perched on a nearby branch, noticed Buzzy's struggle. "Why are you holding on so tightly, little one?" the owl asked. "I'm scared," Buzzy replied. "If I let go, I might get lost forever." The owl smiled gently. Sometimes, holding on keeps us stuck, but letting go, that's how we find new adventures. Buzzy thought about this. He took a deep breath, well, as deep as a balloon can, and whoosh, he stopped fighting the wind. Suddenly, the breeze lifted him gently off the branch and carried him high into the sky, higher than he'd ever been before. As he floated, Buzzy saw new places, sparkling rivers, green valleys, and children playing in distant towns. He realized that by letting go, he hadn't lost anything. Instead, he'd found freedom and joy again. Moral of the story: just like Buzzy, sometimes we hold on to things because we're afraid, but letting go can lead us to new happiness and adventures we never imagined.